Hi guys! So today I am gonna film a quick video on how I put on the press-on nails. I posted a picture on Instagram and some of you were asking if I could do a video and show you guys how I put them on. So these are the ones I'm gonna put on and I'm gonna show you. It's actually really quick. So that is it. Literally, it's super fast. They look pretty natural. And yeah, they're pretty comfortable. They last me about 7 to 10 days. I sometimes carry the glue around, so I'll have it in my purse if one falls off or whatever. But they don't really like snap off that easily. I usually have to go in and like take them off when I'm over them. It's like a quick manicure. So I use the brand Kiss, and there's also Impress. The Kiss one always comes with the glue, which is this little bottle. The Impress ones don't, so you just have to make sure that you buy the glue, which is sold separately. They have all kinds of designs. They have some with jewels. I usually go with the short for these. Key, like I said, I think is really to file the sides, because then the nail is like a more natural width than what they come, if that makes sense. Like if you're filing, you're following your natural nail. So I think that really helps as well, making them look as natural as possible. Also, pushing the cuticle back, that for sure makes them look a whole lot natural, because it actually looks like it's popping out. Why isn't it focusing? Alright, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below what else you guys want to see from me. But yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye! Anyways, it's kind of late now. I'm gonna... I have to do an outro. They look pretty natural. You see them? What? I'm not talking to you!